This 2025 Airstream Basecamp 20X is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 20 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, stovetop burner, smoke detector, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, water heater, skylight, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Airstream Basecamp 20X is 3,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.